Okay. Good morning. It's Vijay here. Today is Tuesday, 3rd September 2024. Welcome to yet another episode of a pre-market commentary where we discuss what happened yesterday and what is likely to happen today and what will our strategy be. Yesterday was yet another interesting day. In fact, yesterday was a remarkable day because it was the 13th day in succession where the Nifty created, closed in a positive territory. Yesterday also, it made an all-time high. It has never happened before in history that Nifty has closed higher for 13 consecutive days. So who says 13 is unlucky? Anyway, that is just statistical numbers because see, every day if it goes up by 20 points and closes 13 days, then it's not a big thing. Whereas you could have a large moves on certain days and corrections, and the net effect of 13-day rally or 13-day moves could be higher when there are corrections in between rather than just going up steadily. But what is important is not the 13 days. It is that the bears are unwilling to give up their projections of significant downward numbers from here. Now, this is why the Nifty is climbing the wall of worry slowly and steadily. Now, it will amaze a lot of people as to why 13, why not today, why can't it come down, or tomorrow can't it come down? It may come down. But the reason why it is going up is simply expected liquidity coming from Fed and other central bankers. And that is beginning only middle of this month. And RBI should follow in October. And other banks also, central banks also, will accelerate the liquidity, drenching of liquidity in the markets. So I feel whether we get a rise today, fall for a few days, finally, all said and done, we should see significantly higher numbers in the indices and many stocks by the end of this year and early next year. I am unable to see any significant negatives which may derail this steady upward trend. In fact, market should go up steadily rather than volatility. But volatility will soon come because you see, people may become extra bullish. FOMO factor, which I was talking of yesterday, may hit, and that may create a lot of volatility. But underlying trend is it is strong. BTFT is the way to go. So yesterday, what happened? You see, yesterday fund buying also came in. FIs bought about 1,375 crores. DIs bought about 350 crores. And all this, when the broader market was down, Nifty was up, Bank Nifty was there, up slightly. But the broader market, you take the mid cap, small cap, micro cap, are all down. What does this tell us? This tells us that there is no interest or there is no demand in the broader market, which has gone up significantly, whereas Nifty and Bank Nifty have really not done their jig, especially Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is about 7-8% lower than the all-time high. So I have been continuously mentioning this, and I believe strongly that Bank Nifty will lead the Nifty from here on, and the market will have, they will go up on the large caps. Broader market will continue to underperform. It is not that the broader market will keep on coming down. Broader market also may go up on certain days, but I think it will continue to underperform. It may even make an all-time highs, but the relative performance in the broader market is likely to be down, even if liquidity sloshes in the system, beginning with the expected Fed rate cut mid-September. Europe was flat because US was not there. So when the cat is out, sometimes the mice don't play. Even in India, we didn't play because yesterday's volumes, for instance, were one of the lowest in quite some time. You can't really make much of what happened yesterday. But suffice to say, Bank Nifty is coming back. Looks like it as of now. It may not be visible to a lot of people, but I'm able to sense that the stocks like an IndusInd Bank, for instance, is doing well, which is generally not in the limelight. PSU banks have suddenly, caught the attention of a lot of punters. IT is continuing to do well. FMCG was doing well, started doing well. ITC hit an all-time high. So there is a lot of life in the large caps. So if you are going to look at the mid, small, micro and say, okay, market is overheated, market will come down. Yes, it may come down because market is overheated in those places, but certainly not in a bank nifty component or many stocks in the nifty. So we should be very careful in what we are planning to buy. Today, again, as a intraday trader, I will buy on decline, but I will buy only what I call the large caps and strong stocks. Hopefully, we will make some money. We have been lucky to be on the right side of the market in the last few months. So I expect that sooner or later we will do well, even if we don't do well on a day-to-day basis. So consumption stocks, as I said, probably will be in the limelight today. PSU banks are likely to be in the limelight. Select pharma stocks should do well. Biocon, I mentioned yesterday. Biocon has perked up yesterday because they got a US FDA, permissions. Reddy was down because China banned one of their drugs, but that overall, it's only a $350 million market overall. So it is not something very big for Reddy. That they have banned them till 26 or something, but that's par for the course. But it fell 2.5%. That you need to realize. Dr. Reddy still remains one of the cheapest large cap pharma stocks. So what am I watching? Gift Nifty shows flat to down, which is, it's quite possible that today we may have a down day because 13 days and 14 day we may not be lucky. We're lucky on 13 days, but it doesn't matter where the index goes so long as we select the right stocks. And the right stocks, in my opinion, are still in the large caps, and those stocks I think will do well as a portfolio for investment and maybe even for intraday trading. So please note, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. The stocks I talked about are my personal choices. So please take care and do due diligence before you enter either long or short in the market. But whatever you do today, I hope you are successful. Thank you for joining. It's Vijay here, signing off.